I have never grown bananas before, and I'm not about to lose the first bunch that I have ever gotten. They are at serious risk. We've got cockatoos, possums, fruit bats, you name it. So today I'm going to be bagging them up. This will hopefully protect them. Something else that I'll be doing today is cutting off its flower, and I had no idea that I was meant to do this. Will this work? Let's find out together. You can actually cut off the flower at the end. This helps the plant put more energy into ripening the fruit instead of wasting it on a flower that won't produce more bananas. I had no idea this was a thing, so I've been waiting for the bananas to form at the end, but it didn't happen. You can see at the tip that there's lots of little damage, and I've seen birds come in and start pecking at this, so I know these guys are in serious danger. Now, if you're thinking that the flower is just going to waste, I do believe that some people actually eat them and put them in stir fries and curries. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever eaten a banana flower. Now I'm going to be using a breathable banana bag, so it's actually open on both ends, but you can use a mesh bag or a pillowcase. It just depends on what you've got on hand. These are actually inexpensive. I think I paid $2.99, so about $3 just from the local produce shop. So I've got some twine. What you want to do is actually slip it over the bananas and just tie it on the one end. So why bag bananas? Well, in our subtropical climate, bananas ripen slowly, which make them a target for hungry critters and even some diseases. It also keeps them cleaner, so you don't have to wash off bug droppings later on. Yuck. And that's that, guys. What I have done is obviously use this breathable bag so that the bananas don't overheat. We don't want that, but we also don't want the critters to be able to get back up into the bag. Now, fortunately for me, the variety that I'm growing is ladyfinger bananas, so they are quite petite, and hopefully the critters won't be able to find their way up the bottom of the bag and get in there and still eat my bananas. But time will tell. So that's it for this video, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button, share it around, share the knowledge and love, and make sure you hit the bell notification to stay up to date with the progress on these bananas to see if we manage to get some once they have ripened.